They wish us away. If they run, why we follow and run them ashore. For if they will fight us, we cannot do more. Hearts of oak are our ships, jolly tars are our men. We always are ready. Steady, boys, steady.
War. War never changes. They give you a shiny helmet, a suit of honor, and they send you out there thinking you're gonna go out and protect your country. But it comes at a price. Constant bombs dropping from the sky. Peeking out the trench only to be shot in the head. The bodies of your fallen comrades littering the trench. Water up to your ankles. It's horrible. But it's a price we all have to pay when we're out here. I wondered when I'd go home to see my wife, even though she doesn't exist. I wish I have it enrolled, but that free cheese was really enticing. But now peace is a distant memory. All we can do now is fight. And as we stand our ground in the heat of battle, we will take pride in knowing that we defend the land, that will defend the land we call home. Because of my time in the army taught me one thing. It's that war never changes. Farewell, Leicester Square, 'cause it's a long, long way to Tipperary, but my heart lies there. So guys, today we're getting drafted. We're gonna go out and we're gonna fend off those pesky Russians. So yeah, just chilling out here. Got this funny little poster. Barry wants you to join the army for free cheese. There's no free cheese, is there? To Tipperary, it's a long way to go. It's a long way to Tipperary, to the sweetest girl I know. Goodbye, Piccadilly, farewell, Leisure Square. It's a long, long way. Alright, boys, we're in. Who do I want to be? I think I'll just be the rifleman. It seems like the most basic class. I'm green, and I'm slowly. Oh dang it! Am I already like? What happened? What's going on? I hear people crying for medic. Maybe I need to call for a medic. Yo medic. Yo medic. Yo medic. All right. Okay. So shovel. Whack 'em. Jesus. All right. Got a lantern. Got a mill. What's the mill do? Oh, that's a grenade. Oh, I got dirt all over my face. Huh. Hey, medic. Medic? I kind of need a medic right now. Is there a medic? Oh, you got an armband. Hey, hey, medic. My face is all green and stuff, and I'm slowly dying. Could you help me? just stabbed me with heroin. I guess that... Oh, crap! I gotta get on my post! Jesus Christ! Oh, you know what? Screw it. Shovel. Ah! Ah! They're raiding the trenches! Ow! Ah! Oh god, I'm dead. So, first experience. Pretty cool. Just straight into the action. What do you want? So I'm part of the British. Australian. Oh, this is all cosmetic. Okay. Ooh, I mean, it's a damn Frenchie, but I mean, it's blue, and I love blue. I don't know. Maybe if I play this game and I start to like it, and they start adding new stuff, then maybe I'll support the game. Oh. Okay, then, we'll go be back to Rifleman. Alright. I'm gonna try to go away from the battle. 14 days at war, 219 dead. Jesus Christ, can I not have a break? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, so, how do I load this thing? How do I shoot? Load. Load. No, okay. X. Okay, that's what. But B. X. Oh, the trenches are getting flooded. The rain. Getting flooded. Okay. This is how I shoot. I also like how the deaths and it's like TF2 voice lines. It's pretty cool. How many bullets do I have in this thing? It's not telling me, so I'm just gonna keep shooting. Oh crap! Here they come! Stay back! Oh, I'm out. Ah! Alright. Back in it. Just try not to die this time. Alright. So load it. Alright. Alright, I'm not gonna waste my bullets. Huh. So we're just preparing defenses, so we have a little bit of peace. Can we go to the other side? Oh no. So, there they are! The Germans are here! Oh, you wanna... Oh wait, that's the Pyro TF2! Pyro TF2! You! Oh wait, you're a good guy. Ah! You're gonna pay for hurting my friends. Oh, you're dead. Am I injured? My health... Oh, yep. My health is slowly going down. I am now sad. I have blood over my face. Oh, I can't see. Oh, God, Jesus. There's day and night cycles? Why? I need a medic, I need a medic. Medic. I'm on Xbox, I can't call for medic. I can't type a chat medic. Everything's all gray. Everything's all gray. Medic. Medic, I need help, medic. 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 You're a medic, you have a syringe. Oh god, thank you, medic. Guess the medic didn't make it. Maybe... I mean, those Germans and Russians, they're definitely not real players, that's for sure. Maybe this is like one of them wave-based things, where we all have to work together to defeat the waves. Or maybe there's like, we get to day 50, we win. Or day 20. God, it's so hard to see. Don't tell me we actually have to fight like this. Do we actually have to fight them? In the dark? Oh, the pub. Oh, I need a drink. I need a drink. There are no drinks. Oh, light. Okay, I can see. You guys stay away. Oh. Come on, we can beat them together. Can we get them? Oh god, the bodies of the fallen. Or maybe those are the bad guys, I don't know. God, I am not looking so good. Bro, I'm already starting to grow my beard, just like in real life. What are you guys doing? You're the guys shooting the shells. Shooting that back at them. How do I get over to you guys? I feel safe. I might feel safe over there. Hey guys. Y'all the artillery crew? Oh, I'm not safe here. I'm not safe here. Could you quit that useless noise? Reaper Avenue. Who's right next to me? Jesus. Here they come. For my country. Leave Britain alone, you bastards. Trenches are filling up. Oh, I'm growing a beard. I'm growing a full-on beard. It's about to be me in the future. Oh. Oh, they're bringing out the pyros. You know, this game is pretty stressful. You can die at any moment because you can't predict where the shells are coming from. It's all random. Unless the shells are coming from us. Oh, I just picked up a lantern. Whoa! Oh, that almost hit me. For my country! Ah! This is for Scandinavia. Oh my god, that man is... Jesus Christ, that man got burnt to a crisp. He took a flame head on. Oh my god, your arm! Oh my god, your arm! Oh my god! Are you okay, man? Are you gonna die? Medic! Medic, this guy needs an arm! Medic! Medic! Someone bring him a spare limb! He's just gonna be limbless. Don't worry, man. I'll stick by you, bro. You're not alone, man. I got you, bro. Stay with me. Alright? Stay with me. No! He succumbed to his injuries. And they're... Oh god, they're here. They're here. I can't see a single thing out here. Alright. We survived. Looking much worse for wear. For Scandinavia! Oh wait! Oh crap, they got their own medics now. Ow! Oh! Oh! Alright. Rifleman. Okay, automatic. Engineer. Artillery. Officer. Sharpshooter. Medic. I'm gonna try officer. I said, let me try officer. I said, fine, engineer. There we go. Okay. So I gotta win. Okay. So this is like a shotgun. Jesus Christ. A wrench. Wire spool. Oh, that's probably how I make the barbed wire. Should probably start placing that stuff actually. Oh crap, they're here. I will not let you take me away from my country. Ah! You bastard! I'm gonna kick your ass. Charging at me, you armless freak. Build. Building. Oh. I see that man over there. Think you're slick? You're dead. Look at all the dead. That guy's only missing his legs. They're all missing their legs. They're all gone. Here and here. Collect this one. Place it here. Then I'm gonna... Not now, JMT. I'm working. Over here. Just like in front of the lines. Maybe some over here. Ow! Oh god, I'm infected. Oh god, I'm hurt. Medic. Come on! Come on, please, just one injection, please. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm all good. Here they come. Them sons of bitches, they could take my country away from me. I think not. You bastards. Ow. Okay, apologies. Ow. Oh. Oh, Pyro! Ow. God, I'm dying. Oh god, I need a medic. I'm not gonna make it. I'm bleeding out. Oh god, it's happening. Oh god, I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. God, I can... Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, thank you. Oh god, it's over. Man, I have brains. Oh god, it's not over. You'll never take me. You'll never take me. Demons. Is that the last of them? Are they all dead? God, I hope so. Okay. Oh, I'm missing an arm. Heal me, please. I need healing. Please. Thank you. Okay. Well, I mean, I'm not doing so good. Oh god, I lost a limb. It's over. Everything's all turning good. At least I gave those bastards what for. Come get me, you bastards! I'm coming for you, you butt! Because we're here, because we're here, because we're here. We're here because we're here, because we're here, because we're here. We're here because we're here, because we're here, because we're here. We're here because we're... Okay. I was an engineer. I'm gonna be officer now. Okay. So I'm an officer. I got a webmeister, a webchester. Loading my revolver. How many bullets can I load into this thing? Hold up, what happens if I shoot it? So 6. Oh, no time to talk. Okay, so gonna load one bullet at a time. So how this gun works is I can either, do that, or I'm gonna reload it. I can fire one bullet, then I can fire another bullet, and hypothetically, I should only have 4 bullets left. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's a revolver. It's your standard issue revolver. Officer issued revolver. Got my saber. Got some black powder. Got my flare. Load. Oh, this takes a while. Okay. Okay. And then cock it. Oh god, I just got hit by shrapnel. Oh god. Medic, medic, medic. I require a medic. Medic! Please, medic. Please. 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 Please, medic, please. Okay, thank you, medic. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, medic. Because we're here, because we're here, because we're here. We're here because we're here, because we're here, because we're here. We're here because we're here, because we're here. We're here because we're here, because we're here, because we're here. Alright, Officer Part 2. I'm assuming this is loaded? It's not. Yep, it's not loaded. Alright. I just want to use the flare gun once. And there's... Oh. I didn't know you could get dirt on the weapons. Cool. Let's load this bad boy up. Okay. So I loaded it. It won't. Okay, fine. There we go. Flare out. It just lowered my graphics quality. That's what the flare gun did. Let's do this. For my country! Barbed wire, see 'em hanging on the old barbed wire.
If you want to find the old
Battalion, I know where they are. I know where they are. I know where they are. If you want to find the old battalion, I know where they are. They're hanging on the old barbed wire. I've seen 'em hanging on the old barbed wire. I see 'em hanging on the old barbed wire. I'm gonna try being the sharpshooter this time. I don't know why my graphics quality is so low for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna try being the sharpshooter this time. Sun is rising, the rain is pouring. So this one, I think it's like Lee Enfield, except what I'm guessing it is has it's less bullets and training full scope. Okay, let's try it out. So, can we aim? Oh, come on. Now's your time to shine. Scope. It's not scoping. Oh! Boom. Maybe it's just more accurate than Lee Enfield. Because why would it have a scope if I can't scope? Alright, I think that's enough for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the war experience here in Whizzbang. I'll definitely be playing this game again. I'll be linking it down below as well. You guys should check it out. I'll probably make another video on this game, check out the other classes, play a little bit more in my free time. Because, I really like this game. I'm starting to enjoy it. Especially because, it's pretty fun. The fear of death at every turn. It's pretty nice. Well, I have a beard. Oh, God. I'm sorry for disrespecting you, sir. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy Whizzbang, and, yeah. See you out in the Pacific Front. Goodbye.